Hi and welcome back to Bride Society. Today we are showing you a kids entertainment pack that we've put together. So these are obviously great, well, for kids obviously, but the thing at your wedding, it can be a long day and things, and entertaining kids could be an essential part of that. So if you like them to maybe have quiet moments during like the ceremony or during speeches and all that kind of thing, this is maybe something that you should consider putting together. Obviously adapt it for the individual kids that you know that are coming and ages and things, but we put a sample one together that's aimed at approximately 5 years old. So yeah, we'll show you what we've put inside. So first up in our bags, we've got these really cute little crowns. So it may not only be you or the bride is wearing a tiara or headpiece on the day, your little friends can wear these. Actually, if you're wondering where we got these from as well, I picked these up at Sainsbury's in packs of 6, and there was like 3 of these and 3 like rose gold ones too. But yeah, I thought those were really cute. I kind of want them for like, my next party.
First thing I've got is a little disposable camera. So you might not want to trust little ones with expensive digital cameras, but they might also want to get involved, taking photos if they see other people, other guests, taking photos of the day. So you could pop one of these in a gift bag and maybe a sheet of suggestions of things they could take photos of. So they've got kind of a reason to, and a little task to do. Yeah. So that would keep them busy running around during dinner. Maybe not the point of the gift bag.
Yeah, no. I wasn't going to say anything. So on the vein of, again, tasks and just things that they can kind of do and occupy themselves with, so not like pulling mum and dad's arms constantly, is like a little activity pack, like of colouring or word searches, puzzles, that kind of thing. This is just a free download that we found on the internet that's pretty cool and has a number of things in there. So yeah, just print off what you need and things, then throw in a little packet of colouring pencils and crayons and things. If you've got a lot of people coming in, you could just take a few out of each one, divvy them up, make it cost effective. But yeah, something to keep them quiet. And also what I did as well during my ceremony was on the seats where I knew there would be a child sat in them, I just put like a little colouring pack and that on their seat as well, so that you're not creating noise at key moments. But yeah, just something to play around with.
The next fun thing I have is like a pack of bubbles. All kids seem to love bubbles, or at least all the ones I've come across. You might not want these to be in their hands during the ceremony, unless that's the look you're going for. Bubbles,
yeah, bubbles as well as confetti afterwards, maybe.
But yeah, just to keep them occupied, it's fun. They can blow them and then try and pop them. So just something cheap and cheerful. You can get these from like pound shops or kind of discount shops, or just online. Just a small pack of bubbles.
Yeah, or you can get like bulk packs of like the more traditional looking ones that you get. And then of course, like, I guess no kids party bag is complete without some kind of sweet treat. Got these sort of mini treat size ones, but obviously the kids that are coming and the parents of the kids and things, so adapt as necessary and things, but yeah. I'd be disappointed if there wasn't something like that.
Okay, my final thing is a little toy, a little figurine. Obviously, if you know the child's into a particular character, particular TV programme, you can adapt as necessary. But figurines are quite nice because they can just use their imagination, make up little stories with them, something like that. So again, you know the children, you know what would work for them.
But don't throw in a toy that makes noise.
Yes, something quiet.
You just think that there's a little siren going off immediately.
Yeah, so they're just a few ideas of what could be put in a kids' activity pack, just to keep them quiet and occupied and not bored, because it can be quite a boring day for them.
So keep everyone happy.
Yeah. So if you've got any other suggestions about what's worked for you, or any other ideas about what might be good for different ages, leave them below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and follow all our other social media, all linked below, and we'll see you next time.